Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was super excited to do this video. Actually, I wanted to do this video because I had a strong reason to do that because today is BTS comeback live happening on Netflix. For which I am super excited. I really wanted to document this because this is the first time I'm going to watch a concert. I have never went to an offline concert or I have never attended an online concert. This is the first time, and that too I am going to attend an online concert of BTS. So I am super excited. So first thing in the morning I woke up and I uploaded all the videos of this comeback on my fan page on Instagram. Once after doing that, I cleaned my entire room, not 100%, but whatever things I wanted to organize, I have organized, charged my phone, my tablet, everything. I have done it, and I took a bath so that I can sit and watch this video. I don't want to uh, get distracted while I am watching. So I am 100% prepared for this. So yeah, I thought I can share it as a video and as a vlog. And also, I'm not going to cover the entire online concert. Definitely, I won't be able to do that. And also, I would be distracted if I am vlogging, if I'm capturing that also. So, I am going to stay focused and I'm going to completely watch that. So, that is my plan for today. I am going to set everything. I think only 1 hour left. I'm going to uh, open and keep it around 4:15 itself. That I'm going to do. And yeah, one more thing I wanted to share is today Netflix have introduced BTS profile picture on Netflix. So today I changed my profile picture to Taeyang. I was thinking to keep. I just saw all seven of their profile pictures. I liked Harams and Jins the most. I love Magne the most, but I thought like hmm, I became a fan of BTS because of Taeyang, so I thought of keeping his profile picture first, so I kept it. Yeah, that one thing I wanted to share. Now I have to bath, I have to get ready, and then I'll be setting up my desk to watch the live. I wanted to start this vlog thing yesterday itself. Like, I wanted yesterday's video to be the first vlog, but I was not able to do that. So, whatever things I wanted to share in yesterday, I'm going to do it in today's video. I thought I can do after I watch the live concert, but I'm going to do now because I have 20 minutes, and after that, I will not get distracted. I'll just focus on the live. So yeah, the things like I first saw swim video. I missed actually few of the things that I'll discuss later. First thing is, once I got to know that swim was released on YouTube, I just went and I watched it. I watched completely, and then I felt swim would be my most favorite song in this particular album. Then I noticed the song They Don't Know About Us, I believe. Just a minute. Okay, They Don't Know About Us. Then I listened to that song, not completely. Swim, I have listened the complete song. I loved it. I loved the musical video. I loved the song. I loved the message conveyed in that video. And then I listened to the song They Don't Know About Us. Then I felt like this is also is going to be my favorite song from the album. Then I like listened to the song Normal. I was so able to connect to that song, and these three, as of now, these three are my most favorite. Even though Swim is the song which BTS gave a huge message to ARMY, but Normal took over it. So Normal, as of now, Normal is my most favorite song in this particular album. So like the chorus sung by four of them, like Jungkook, V, Jin, and Jimin. That is my most favorite part because that is the lines I have listened as of now. But I feel that that is going to be my most favorite in this album as of now. But I was able to so connect to it. It's so good. That's what I would say. I think like more I missed their Weavers live which happened yesterday. I missed that, and around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock only I went and I saw this swim video. So I was too late as an army, but even though I have done it, so I am proud about that. Today I had a lot of distraction. There is one thing which made me sad. There is a huge issue which I am undergoing today, which I don't wanted to take it in my hand and handle it now because I don't want to spoil this particular thing which is happening for the first and I'm not sure when I will be able to get this kind of experience again. So I don't want to spoil this. So whatever issue is happening, I just kept it aside and I'm going to focus on this, and later on I'm going to handle that. Yeah, that's all I wanted to talk. Like my favorite song I have spoke about, and Aram's injury, it was in my heart, like in my mind, how he would be feeling and all. I was just thinking about that. Okay, now I have discussed everything. I'm going to set everything in place and I'm going to wait for the live to get started. Yeah. Finally, it's time for the live. Like, I think 15 to 20 minutes more for me. I mean, 15 minutes more for the lives to start. Fortunately, these two fellows went to sleep. Actually, till now, they were just playing around my entire room and they were disturbing and making noise. But fortunately, they went to sleep. I want them to sleep for next at least 1.5 hours so that there won't be any distraction or noise around me when I am watching BTS live. So yesterday I watched the live, and after that I thought of sharing my feedback or my experience. But unfortunately, I was handling different things, and I was watching series, and I was preparing for something else which I am going to do tomorrow. So I was completely engaged, so I didn't get time to do, and also not get time to do. I thought I can do it in late night, and then I missed it. So I postponed it to today, and then now it's evening. So first thing is the concert experience was so amazing. Even though it is online, it was so amazing. I'm not sure how many of the clips I'm going to add in this video, but definitely I'll be adding some of the best moments I had. So the first thing is really the comeback was really great. So the first sentence by Aram was actually overwhelming, and it actually took away all my nervousness. So it was so great. And after that, they first played Body to Body. It was so good. I liked the song, but I don't think so it will be my most favorite. But I maybe if I listen more, maybe I might like that song because few chorus, like chorus and all, it was actually very catchy. I liked it. I was able to understand few of the things what they wanted to say in that song. So I liked that song, and the energy which everybody brought for that song is so great. I especially like the energy Taeyong brought because the first, like once they zoom into Aram, once they brought back the first step, they started to dance. I felt a strong energy from Taeyang. I really fell in love with him. I even watched it again. So I was worried whether I will be able to see it again, whether the recording of the live will be available on Netflix. Yes, it was available. Again, I went and watched. Oh, the energy! I rewind it again and again. I would have watched it at least for 20 times. So that much energy he brought, and I loved to see him dance again on the stage. So everybody brought so much energy, but he caught my eye. And after that, I was worried. I thought they will play this. They don't know about us. That song. I thought they will be performing that, but they didn't perform that. That was disappointing. But yeah, in a 1 hour, they can only sing 5 to 6 songs, not more than that. They added Permission to Dance, Dynamite, Mic Drop. Oh my god, that is one of the boom performance. That is also great, and I liked the performance of Animal. I never thought that I would like that song because I haven't heard it, but that song also was good. I was satisfied with all the songs. Yeah, and one more thing, 2.0. Oh my god, that is a very catchy song, so BTS song. So I love that song as well. So what I'm going planning to do is I am planning to listen to all the songs because 2 or 3 songs they haven't performed, but whatever they have performed, it was power packed. And I think Holigan was played second, I believe. Till then, I forget that RM was injured. He is not performing. That I forgot actually, because that way they have planned everything. But unfortunately, one thing I was really frustrated when there is heavy performance done by BTS on the stage. The cameraman used to focus on the buildings. That is so irritating, and it made me frustrated. But overall, it was a good experience. I loved their performance, and I really enjoyed it. I was worried whether after seeing this, whether I would also get the or like I would also get tempted to watch the concert live. I mean, in person. So actually, it happened. I also wanted to be part of that ocean, but I'm not sure whether my financial status would allow me. Watching them something is also a good feel, but whenever I scroll down Instagram, I can see them uh, locking eyes with the armies out there. So that is also something I wanted to experience, but I'm not sure whether I'll get that opportunity to be there. But whether I'll be willing to spend that much money, whether I'll be able to save that much money for this, I'm not sure. But if I get an opportunity, that is something I would be treasuring for the lifetime. So yeah, I'm not sure, but this was my experience. So before I started to record this particular video of me sharing the experience, I went and watched the clips which I shooted yesterday. It was cringy, but I am going to include that clip in this vlog because I am planning to overcome my insecurity. Then I'll be able to build or achieve what I want in life. So yes, I'm going to do. If you feel any of my clipping or any of my reaction is cringy, not only you. I also felt that, but still I thought I decided to show you. Yeah, bye.